Okay, I'm out here with Evil Knievel Dog, and he's with Evil Knievel Griggs. We're gonna do stunts. Sorry, our closed course isn't lit up right now. It's gonna be dark, but you can probably see in the headlights. He's not gonna be strapped in. We're gonna go at an excessive speed down a hill. You can see when I come down with the headlights. Yeah, we're gonna do that, and hopefully he won't die on camera. If he does, it'll be posted for the world to see. And for all you people that are members of PETA, screw you. This dog loves the four-wheeler. Okay. You ready, Grayson? Let's go. Be right back.
There they go. Poor dog. His name is Butch, and of course, you know, it's Jason. And
Alright, here we go.
there you go.
And there he goes. He's right there. He made it. He just jumped off.
Voila!
And look.
Poor little dog.
He's back on the four-wheeler. We're gonna do flips next. Alright, turn that crap off.